Відпочинь трошки, відпочинь. Ти так хекаєш. Набігалась, да? Набігалась, манюнь?
Happy birthday.
Набігалась. Дейзі. Подивися в камеру.
So make a wish.
Іди сюди.
Please accept my apologies. Wonder what would have been. Would you have been a little angel or an angel of sin? Tomboy running round, hanging with all the guys, or a little tough boy with beautiful brown eyes. I paid for the murder before they determined the sex. Choosing our life over your life meant your death, and you never got a chance to even open your eyes. Sometimes I wonder, as a fetus, if you fought for your life, would you have been a little genius?